Only some kilometers away from the south shores of Iceland lies the village of Skúgar along the southern ring road. It's a preferred summer resort center surrounded by unusual scenic beauty. The breathtaking view of Skogafoss waterfall and scenic surroundings and the snow-capped heights of two towering glaciers are Skúgar's major summer attractions. There are two settlements by this name. One is Ytri Skúgar, Outer or Western Skúgar, and the other one is Eystri Skúgar, Eastern Skúgar, situated at a short distance from each other. Ytri Skúgar, commonly mentioned as Skúgar, is the main settlement. It is an old farm and has a church from 1890. It is located between the Skúga and Kverna rivers. Skogafoss waterfall is one among the biggest and most elegant waterfalls in Iceland. The surrounding is gorgeous, and the black sand makes this waterfall very special. Skogafoss waterfall has a width of 25 meters and the cascade drops 60 meters. A waterfall of this size generates a lot of spray, often creating a single or double rainbow on sunny days. The river below the falls holds a large salmon population, and fishermen are seen here fishing July to October. The path leading to the top of waterfalls continues following the river upstream, where numerous more dramatic waterfalls of sheer beauty are to be found. A great hike to mention the least. Just like the legends of buried treasures of Eli Skallagrímsson in Mosfell near Reykjavik and Ketilbjörn in Mosfell near Skaholt, there is a similar legend regarding the settler Brosi, who is believed to have buried his chest of gold under the Skogafoss waterfall. The legend continues that locals found the chest years later, however were only able to grasp the ring on the side of the chest before it disappeared again. The ring was allegedly given to the local church. The old church door ring is now in a museum, though whether it gives any credence to the folklore is debatable. One of the best folk museums in Iceland is located in extraordinarily lovely natural surroundings. The fascinating local folk museum incorporates a collection of over 6,000 artifacts and samples of various types of dwellings in Iceland since the early times. The collection of tools and equipment used at land and sea is outstanding. The museum also has an old Torf farmhouse where guests will experience the standards of living in Iceland in past centuries. Skúgar is a place to explore the natural diversity of the south, or if the weather is good, to spend a vacation amid lovely and rugged landscapes. It is also very close to the ocean and the unique Black Beach. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.